So what does the future of accommodation for older people look like? I think Cardiff Council might have the answer to that.
If you know this part of Cardiff, as you come into Canton on Leckwith Road, the former community centre, you may have seen this building behind us, T. Groys. This is a council-owned scheme of social housing for council tenants, targeting older people looking to right-size into a more appropriate property, promoting independent living.
We've got 44 flats here, 39 one-bedrooms and 2 two-bedrooms.
It's a highly energy-efficient scheme. It's powered by solar panels on the roof, heated by a ground source heat pump from a communal system, and all flats achieve an EPCA.
Looking to build a community here, so once people move here, we want them to be neighbours and friends, creating that community spirit.
And what I liked about this is they went out to existing council tenants who had family homes, who'd grown up, maybe children had moved on, and said, are you interested in moving from your larger home to a modern new older person's accommodation? And a number of people were really interested. And so what it's done is a lot of older people are moving into this new accommodation that's very suitable for them for their next part of their life. It's really nice accommodation, but it's also freed up valuable family homes across the city. And I think that's got to be a good thing. There are people desperately on the waiting list looking to get into family accommodation.